Guys, aminin natin, nung una kong nakita to sa feed ko, ang honest kong reaction talaga was, hala, parang hindi okay tong movie na to ah. Kasi 'di ba parang ang laki ng age gap. We all know kung anong generation sina Ding Dong at Charo sumikat. So at first, parang ang weird lang. But then I watched the trailer and you know what? I actually changed my mind. It looks wholesome. Mukhang may depth yung story. Not your typical rom-com and definitely not another kabit-kabit drama. Parang binabasag nila yung stigma na kapag matanda na, pera lang ang habol. Dito, pinapakita nila na love is love. Age doesn't matter. Medyo naalala ko nga yung glorious nila Angel Aquino at Tony Labrusca. Pero, magkaiba sila in terms of tone and premise. And surprisingly, kahit malayo ang age gap nila, may kilig pa rin. As in, hindi siya cringe. May chemistry talaga. Visually, ang ganda ng pagkakakuha ng scenes, hindi mukhang cheap. Tapos yung acting sobrang natural. Syempre ano pa ba aasahan mo sa mga veterans, 'di ba? Hindi pilit yung acting at hindi OA. Will I watch it? Yes, definitely. Actually, gusto ko talagang malaman kung ano yung pinaka-core ng movie. Kasi yung trailer, ang galing, walang masyadong spoiler, pero enough para maging curious ka. And props sa team ha. Si Ding Dong hindi pa cute, ina-adjust talaga yung look niya. Mature pero pogi pa rin. At si Charo, hindi trying hard magmukhang bata. Sakto lang, yung outfit niya, classy, age appropriate, but still elegant. So yeah, this might actually be something refreshing to watch. Let's see kung mapapaiyak tayo o mapapakilig ulit. Abangan natin Only We Know showing this June 11, a day before Independence Day. Sakto lang, panahon din para maging malaya ang lahat. Malayang magmahal nang walang panghuhusga. Once this movie is out, gagawa ako ng full movie review, kaya abangan nyo yan. Huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. O diba? Dani mo nang alam.